Gladiator, ready?
Ready to look, ready to look. That didn't look that painful.
Pass it on. Ask Sasha how painful it is.
Next,
Yeah, it hurt.
shot. Safety is off.
Hold the trigger all the way back and then release it fully.
Ready?
It's a little scary, isn't it? Hi, Sean.
Hi, John.
Hey, buddy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Brady.
Happy New Year.
Oh, hell yeah.
He was aiming at my face.
The whole thing's aiming anywhere.
You know, half of it went over him. Aim for
Yeah.
center mass. Aim for center mass. All right.
Oh, well, somehow they used.
Me next, me next.
I did it. Pow.
There you go, mama.
Thanks, sir.
That was fun.
That's it, right?
Yeah, that was sick.
Yeah. Okay.
How'd it feel?
Kind of sucks.
Yeah.